Hi everyone, I'm Rick Slark and welcome to the framework known as Knowledge Library, developing a knowledge library to improve business operations. The framework Knowledge Library shows a checklist of different types of knowledge that might be useful for business operations and development. For all types of knowledge, one decision for growing companies to make is which specific information to be collected, filed, maintained, and used along with which employee should be responsible for this. A key point of this framework is that some knowledge exists on paper, some is digital, and some is best obtained through the company's external network of contacts. Here are a few topics for discussion. Is your company's current physical or digital knowledge library updated? Is any knowledge missing? Can existing knowledge easily be found? Have responsibilities for maintaining knowledge been delegated? Is existing knowledge being used and how? Do you have the appropriate culture when it comes to sharing knowledge? How do you share knowledge in the company, and could it be done smarter or more efficiently? As you consider the framework, think about these decisions you may have to make. Number one, knowledge gathering and keeping. Which information do you need to gather, file, and keep up to date, and how will you do this? Number two is knowledge use. How will you ensure that the people who need the knowledge in the company have access to it? And number three, knowledge responsibility. Who should be responsible for gathering, filing, and updating the company information? If you'd like more information on the Knowledge Library Framework, reach out to Rick at slarkconsultinggroup.com.